Hello kids, I welcome you all once again. Today we are going to learn English of class 7 lesson number 2 and this is our second sequence of the lesson. Lastly we have already discussed that there is a family and in the family there is one more relative over there, a kitten. It is a part of the family, that is why it has become a relative. Nobody knows about the kitten. Only who knows? Ravi knows, Meena knows, as well as Mrudu. Let's see what will going to happen. Why? Because now they are hiding that kitten to other members of the family. They are not ready to introduce the kitten to other part or other members of the family. So let's see what had happened next. As that kitten was lapping, means she was enjoying with the milk, she got a food. We found him outside the gate this morning. Then they both, Ravi and Meena, told to Mrudu, do you know where did we get it? We get it in the morning at our door only, at the gate only. He was mewing and mewing. What is mewing? The cat used to say, na, meow, meow. So they both say it was mewing. Poor thing. So they felt very sad. Oh my God, just see, so small kitten. And they both thought that the cat was very hungry. So immediately, what did they do? They just took the cat. Said Meena told to Mrudu, how did they find the cat? It's a secret. Don't tell to anyone, as nobody knows about the cat. Amma says Pati will leave for our Pudu Mama house if she knows we have a cat. So Amma told, look, she means who? Meena is telling to Mridu, listen, if Amma will going to know about the kitten or the cat that we have kept secretly, then what she'll do? She will going to take us and we have to live at our mama's house, as she don't want any kind of animal inside the house. That's why don't tell to anyone, otherwise Amma will going to scold us. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, as even I and other people also, what do they say? That always be kind towards the animal. As when you are just moving on the road, you are driving a car, you met or you come across buffalo, cow, what do? You start honking, honk, honk, honk. But buffalo doesn't move from the place. So what the people sometimes do, they just start their car and move the car. So by that, the buffaloes also, they may have a wound somewhere. So we should do in that way? No, we should not. We should always wait and let the buffalo or cow move from that place. It is very bad to have a rude behavior towards the animal. Even many people also says that never be rude towards the animal. But when we are, they scream. Underline the word scream. Scream means shout. As what they are saying, Meena, Ravi, what they are saying, that people to says, even mama says to us, amma says, look, you should always take care of animals. But when we have just bring the animal inside the house, then they shout, why did you do that? Something like that. So how can you behave like that? Oh, don't bring that dirty creature. Underline the word creature. Creature means any sort of animal or birds. Okay? Here, so as we bring any creature, they start shouting. Though they say that take care of animal, but at the same time they even shout. Said Ravi. Who told this thing? Ravi. Ravi is saying this thing. What did Ravi say? That sometimes people say take care of animal, and when we take care they started shouting, why did you bring? So it is so confusing. Don't bring that dirty creature here. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? Do you feel it was very difficult to bring the milk from the kitchen, as in the kitchen who is always present? Amma. So by hiding, okay, here and there, and quietly I bring the milk from the kitchen. I have to even be very careful. Suppose mom amma would have seen me, so she would have scolded me. So can you believe that how much difficult it was to bring the milk from the kitchen? Very difficult. So Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. Now Pati has seen me as I was having what? I was having glass of milk. Do you know what is, so who is Pati? Just see. If you forget anything, always turn the page in which you have written the character. Look, grandfather, grandmother, everything is written over there. Okay, now let's see, it will come. Pati see him as he was bringing the milk. So can you find Pati? Actually, grandmother in Tamil we even say Pati. Is that clear? So don't forget. So she saw to Ravi as he was bringing the milk. One spelling is Pati saw the Ravi as he was having a glass of milk. Let's see what had happened. I told her I am very hungry. I have no choice. As grandma asked, Pati asked, what are you doing? Why you are having a glass of milk this time? So I have to tell lie. Ravi tell lie to Pati that Dadi, I am very hungry. That's why I have a glass of milk. I want to drink it. But the way she looked at me. So I told, Dadi, I'm very hungry. I want to drink the milk. But she was confused. Look, grandmothers are very clever. Pati was staring at me. There is something wrong. I was able to understand that Pati had a doubt on me. Though I told her I am going to drink, but Pati was staring at me. There is some confusion. Let's see. I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. Scent, underline the word scent, means doubt. Now what had happened? Grandmother doubted Ravi. So what Ravi has to do now, just to clear her, his grandmother's doubt, the Pati has to drink the milk. So what had happened? Then she wanted tumbler back. Underline the word tumbler. Tumbler means a kind of vessel. Means it can be a glass. So what did Pati do? She told to Ravi, okay fine, you are hungry now. Drink it and return the tumbler back. What to do? As he has to give that milk to the kitten. Now Dadi is asking for tumbler back. That's why he has used that cotton shell. It will come. Let's see. Pati, Pati, I will wash it. My Pati, please don't be in speed. I will wash it. I'll wash the tumbler and return you. Don't do like that. Why should I put you to trouble? Why should I ask you to wash my utensil, wash my tumbler? You don't worry, Pati, you may go. I am going to wash on my own. Why Ravi is doing that? Because Ravi has to hide that he is taking that milk for the kitten. I had to run and pour the turn the page, milk into this coconut shell, and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Underline the word suspicious. Suspicious mean she's confirmed. She'll be confirmed. Now what Ravi has to do? Ravi has to be very quick. He has decided now. Pati has a doubt on me. What am I going to do? I am going to run through. Quickly, I am going to pour all the milk into the coconut shell, and thereafter what will I am going to do? I'll take my glass back to the kitchen. I'll wash it up, and thereafter what will I am going to do? I am going to just put this glass back. That would be easy for me. Otherwise, grandma will be more suspicious. She will definitely going to have a doubt on me. And I am sure if she will have a doubt, then she can tell to Amma. And Amma will be angry. Now, Ravi has to perform his work in a more quicker way. Let's see the next. Now, we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendra. Underline the word Mahendra. It's a name of a kitten. They have given the name. Okay? Kitten. Always leave a space in a page of characters. Is that clear? As new character will come, you will start, just continue writing. Okay? Kitten name. Kittens. What is that? Mahendra. Is that clear? Now, who has given this name? The name is given to her by Ravi and Meena. Is that clear? So, now we have to think, otherwise we will be caught. Even kitten will be caught. So now the time is we have to find some other way to feed Mahendra. Underline the word feed. Feed means to provide food. Write it over there only. Now, Mahendran, the little kitty's name. It's given. Mahendra, who is Mahendran? It's a name of a kitty. Mridu was impressed. She is very happy. Underline the word impressed. Impressed means as you do something nice, as you just do all your writing work in a good manner. Even as a teacher, I will be also impressed by your work. So when Mridu saw and heard about the story, how they have just taken that kitten inside the house, how they are taking care. So now Mridu is very much happy. She's very much impressed on looking at their cousins as they are working very hard for the animal. Okay. Now, next. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. It was a real name, a name like a human, a name like this type, Mahendra. This type of name we used to keep with our family members. These types of name will be of our brother or sister. Otherwise, cat name can be Kitty, Pitty, Tinny, Tot. It can be a small, but as they both thought of that cat is their family member, that's why they have given a special name to that kitten. And what was the name? The name was Mahendra. That's why Mridu was also much impressed by the qualities of Ravi and Meena. Let's see the next. What had happened? Mridu was impressed. It was really a name, not only a kitty name. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Verma. What was the name? Mahendra Verma, Pallava, Punani, MP Punani for short, if you like. So full name was Mahendra Palwa Punani, and its abbreviation, it means its short name is MP Punai. MP Punai. Do you understand the meaning? How can we short the name? Suppose someone's name is Ankur Pathak. Son of, we write like this. Maniram Pathak. Now, how can we write in short? A we will take from here, M we will take from here. So, A dot M dot Pathak. And Mr. If that person is a man, so we will going to write Mr. If a person is woman, so we write Mrs. Is that clear? But if you are a boy, so Master Abhishek. If you are a girl, so what will be there? Miss Shipra. Is that clear? So like this, we can have short names. We can short the name as it is given over there. What was the real name of that cat? Actually, it was Mahendra Verma. Then Pallava Punani. So for Mahendra Verma, M taken. Then Pallava's P taken. M dot P dot Punani. Punai, rather Punai. Is that clear? So, for short, if you like, he is a fine breed of cat. Underline the word breed. Breed means kind. As in cat, we have different breeds. As in dog, we have different breeds. So, breed means quality, different type of qualities. Some cats are very big, some are very small, some eyesight is very good. As we talk about dog, so in dog, Labrador, its eyesight is very sharp. Even police used to keep. Even we have the dog in our school too. That dog used to sit on the gate only. And which dog is that? It is Labrador. Why? Because it has a very sharp eyesight. Is that clear? Let's see next what is there. Now, just it seems to be a very fantastic breed of cat. Just look at his fur. Now, in this paragraph, it is the characteristics of a cat, that how does it look. Very first point, underline. First point, it's a fantastic breed. Second point, it has very beautiful fur. Fur means the upper part of the cat, which is covered with hairy like structure, that is called fur. Okay. Now what's given? Just look at his fur, like a lion's mane. What do you mean by lion's mane? Have you ever seen lion? The hair which is around lion's face, it is called its mane. So cat is also known as whose family? That cat is from lion's family only. So how does its fur look like? It look like lion's mane. So heavy, so beautiful. And you know that what the emblem of the ancient Pallavas king was, don't you? Do you remember what type of symbol did the ancient Pallavas used to keep? What do you mean by ancient Pallavas? Ancient Pallavas means the people, the ancestors, our ancestors who lived a long year ago. There was one group called Pallavas. So do you remember their symbol? Actually, what is our symbol? Our symbol can be Ashoka Chakra. Have you seen Ashoka Chakra? It is there in our national flag. So these type of symbol we have. Even we have national emblem. where the faces of 4 lions are there. In the same way, in ancient Pallavas, there was one symbol. Let's see what she's discussing more. He looked expectantly at Mridhu. What did they do? He is just staring, just like this. They were surprised. They don't know. Underline the word expectantly. They are just staring that what Mridu wants to say. Mridu giggled. She started laughing. Underline the word giggle. Laughing. Think I am joking? Well, just wait. Do you think I am joking as I am comparing it with a ancient Pallava? Just see. I will show you something. It's clear you don't know a thing about history, as I am telling you the truth, and you seem to be as you don't know anything. It means you did not know about anything of our past. History means our past. Okay? Haven't you been to Mahabalipuram? Have you ever been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? Did you be over there? Actually, in Mahabalipuram, there is a statue. Okay, let's see. He said mysteriously, underline the word mysteriously, having a doubt. So she's staring like this. Don't you have ever been to Mahabalipuram? You don't know about Pallavas? How it is possible that you don't know? Oh my God, you should go over there. Let's see. He said mysteriously, well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Tata. What did she say? When I went with my class, that's you got a picnic. You get a picnic and you go to different places in a picnic, like you used to go to a zoo or any party plot somewhere. Even you can go to where the spot which has museums. So she's telling that I went in a school picnic with my class at where? At Mahabalipuram, and I enjoyed over there very much. So it was really what she's saying is tatas, 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 tatas. Then excreta. Fact is, Mahendra here is descended. It's given Tata, grandfather. There were lots of grandfather. She's now explaining. Descended from matlab comes from the same family. Actually, she wants to just tell how the kitten's face is resembling to that the statue of Mahabalipuram. That's why she's just explaining. Fact is here descended from that very same ancient cat. She's telling it seems to be like that only. Mridu is telling to Ravi and Meena that Mahendra's face is exactly like I have seen in Mahabalipuram, that the face of ancient Pallavas, the statue which was there, it is exactly the same. Let's see. A close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. And in that statue, it seems that it is sitting beside the lion and it is just saying something. She is explaining about the statue, how it is resembling like exactly as it is like a part of a lion's family only. It resembles like a statue as she has seen in at Mahabalipuram. Okay, the Pallavas lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. You would have heard they are our ancestors only. Huh, beta? They are known as Pallavas dynasty. So it seems like this kitten belongs to Pallavas dynasty. How come she belongs to? Because her appearance, her looking, Her fur is like that only. It seems to be their ancestors only. Ravi went on walking around the bitterberry bush. Then what did the Ravi do? After hearing all the things by Mridu, what did the Ravi do? Ravi decided to go nearby the kitten. So Ravi is taking around, means like this, moving around. So Ravi is moving around the bitterberry bush. Why Ravi is moving around? Because that kitten is over there. Mahendra is sitting just inside the bushes, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. So now what is happening over there? It is waving the twig. What do you mean by twig? Let me show it to you. Have you ever seen a leaves? Yes. Okay. Leaves are something like this. Right? So this middle portion, it is known as twig. So it was just shaking. It was waving the twigs like this. It was waving the twigs and its eyes was sparkling. Underline the word sparkling means shining. Cat's eye, if you see cat eye at dark, they just spark. Even the light of the tube light, is that clear? As it also focuses, it can be the dim one, but the cat eye, in a very dark room you would be able to see cat eye. So when Ravi saw under the bitter bush, what did he find? Bitterberry bush. That cat was waving a twig and her eyes were sparkling. Okay. Let's see next what is there. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabali Puram Rishi cat. So what did he say? Yes, as Mrudu explained everything, so Ravi rushed to just see as whatever Mrudu told, ki it should be look like that, it has this. So as Ravi saw the appearance of cat, then Ravi said, yes, Mrudu, you are right. The cat looks like that only. Then it is definitely from Pallavas dynasty. And who would be? The cat would be Rishi's cat. Means who are the Rishi? Actually, in ancient time, Guru. Have you ever been to temple? There is Pujari over there. So Pujari is praised by everyone. So that's why Ravi says, as it is a very smart cat. So it is definitely Rishi's cat. No other can keep it such a royal cat. As by appearance she is very strong, so she must be Rishi's cat. Let's see. And if I may just remind you, they worship cats in the ancient Egypt. Let me remind you also one thing, that in ancient days, in the country like Egypt, over there, what did the people do? As a Hindu or Indian, we used to pray cow. We always think that Gau Mata. Do you also do something like this? You definitely do. If you doesn't do, then your mama and papa used to do. We used to feed cow very much and consider as it our mata only. So in Egypt, the people of Egypt, just they pray the cat as if it seems to be its god only. They respect the cat. They never try to harm a cat. So he's telling, do you know this thing? Not only we, it's in Egypt that people love to respect the cat. They do never harm to the cat. Instead, they just feed it as well as they just take care of that. So have you seen how Mrudu explained about the cat, how it belongs to the Pallavas dynasty, And after listening, just Ravi wished to see, and he also realized that yes, Mridu is definitely right. Then they have understood that they are doing something very nice. Many more to go. Wait and watch. Okay.